So in today's video, we are having an explosion where two have died as explosion hits Kampala bar. At least two people have died in suspected bomb attack in Komamboga, Kawempe Division, Kampala. Police rushed to investigate the incident, which has sent shock waves across Kampala city. The explosion targeted Digida Bar, a popular pork joint and bar in the area. The development comes days after UK and the France embassy respectively issued travel advisories and terrors alert to their citizens intending to travel to Uganda and those in Uganda. Terrorists are very lucky to try to carry out attacks in Uganda, say the UK government, emphasizing attack could be indiscriminate, including in places visiting and foreigners. France and UK did not provide detailed information to justify the terror alert, which police downplayed. The embassies called upon their citizens to be extra alert and vigilant as they go about their daily activities. Police and security forces have sealed roads leading to the area and commenced investigation. Previous terrorist attacks and disrupted attacks in Uganda have targeted the security forces and places where football matches are being viewed. The military intelligence recently killed a suspected terrorist who is said to have planned to explode bomb at the burial ceremony of ex-deputy police boss, that's Lieutenant General Paul Lokeff. Several other suspects in the murders of prominent government officials and Muslim terrorists have since been arrested. Earlier this year, a terrorist cell attempted to assassinate the former Chief of Defense Forces, General Katumba Wamala. The general's daughter and driver were gunned down in the accident in Kampala. In 2010, there were a bomb attack in Kampala at Venus screening the World Cup finals, killing over 70 people and injuring many more. Al-Shabaab claimed responsibility and linked the attack to Uganda's military presence in Somalia as part of an African Union peacekeeping mission, AMISMO.